Now we shall discuss about past indefinite or simple past tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense or past indefinite tense. It is also known as past indefinite tense. In past indefinite tense, we discuss about past events, and we have already discussed all these things happen only with the help of verb. The verb will tell us whether the sentence is in present or in past or in future. So basic concept is related to verb. Here in simple past tense or past indefinite tense, the first thing we have to study is affirmative. And affirmative is the only place. Past indefinite affirmative is the only place where we use second form of verb. This is the only place where we use second form of verb. Affirmative. Rule. Subject plus V2 plus object. Very easy to remember. Subject plus V2 plus object. Now the question is, what is second form of verb? Go, went, gone. Catch, caught, caught. Read, read, read. Cut, cut, cut. So you have to remember all these verb forms for better understanding. Write, wrote, written. There are many with exceptions. Some may be understood very easily. For example, cook, cooked, cooked. But write, wrote, written. Run, run, run. Cut, cut, cut. These are examples you have to remember. So, we shall begin with examples. Example number 1. Napoleon Bonaparte fought the Battle of Waterloo. If you remember, Napoleon Bonaparte fought the Battle of Waterloo and was defeated. So Napoleon Bonaparte fought. This is second form of verb. Napoleon Bonaparte fought the Battle of Waterloo. In the same way, the lion killed the deer. The lion killed the deer. Killed, second form of verb. The lion killed the deer. Lion is subject, kill second form, and the deer object. India lost the match yesterday. lost, second form of verb. India lost the match yesterday. He lost his purse in the bus. He lost his purse in the bus. Along with, there are many examples which can be given using simple subject, second form of verb and object. He killed a snake last night. He killed a snake last night. When he woke up, second form of wake. When he woke up, he went to market. When he woke up, he went to market. So woke up, went, these are second form of verb. Maharana Pratap fought the British or you can say Akbar. Maharana Pratap fought the British or any such object you can keep. It is imaginary. Maharana Pratap fought the British. So fourth, second form of verb. The British, that is object. We studied. We studied. Simple past tense today. We studied simple past tense today. Along with some more examples, Kalidas wrote Abhigyan Sakuntalam. Abhigyan Sakuntalam. Kalidas wrote Abhigyan Sakuntalam. Last year went. Go, went, gone. Last year we went. Where? America, Canada, Britain, Switzerland. It is imaginary. We can go anywhere in the world. It costs nothing. Last year we went to Kushinagar, not far away, in budget as well. It is in our budget. Last year we went to Kushinagar to see the beauty of nature. Last year we went to Kushinagar to see the beauty of nature. Even nowadays, if you want to go to Kushinagar, you can see the airport, the best airport of Gorakhpur, international airport, you can say. Some more examples, and then after we'll be finishing it. Maya Ram watered the plants. You know, in your school there is a person, a pune named as Maya Ram, whose duty is to water the plants. There are many plants, you know. Maya Ram watered the plants. He cut the trees. All the forms are only this one. So he cut the trees. Cut. He cut the trees. Seeing the lion, they ran away. Even I would have run. Seeing the lion, they ran away. Second form of verb. They ran away. Now the last one. Samira watched TV last night with her husband. Quite rare scene, you know. Women like serials and men like news and such channels. So it is quite rare scene. Samira watched second form of verb television last night with her husband.